On today's episode, we are going to install some LED lights on Elsa. Stick around, this won't take long. Alright guys, so this will be the last night and the last time we'll have halogen headlights and fog lights on Elsa. By the way, that's what we're calling the Subi. We named her Elsa. So here we go. We'll turn off the dome light. And that is the view outside at the moment. Pull forward a little bit more here. As you can see, not really the best. I mean, halogens are halogens, you know, and these are okay for what they are, but just not cutting the cheese. And then without the fog lights on, fog lights on, fog lights off, fog lights on. So let's go for a drive down the street here. Let me put this over here on this side. All right guys, let's just go for a little drive. So we can do a comparison on with halogens to LEDs. And we'll drive the same little route after I get the LEDs installed. That way we can do a comparative nature to all this. So this is out on a little bit of a trail here. Get back to the street side and we'll just drive down the road and you know, compare some differences between the two. So alright, so that's the halogen lamps in there now. Just so you can see how it is at nighttime at the moment. Yeah, I mean, they do okay. For what it is, they do okay. But we all know it could be way better. It could be way better. So I'm trying a new set of LED lights that I found online. Reasonable price, not bad. About 190 bucks for the pair. Starting with just low beams, and the other bulbs I found for the fog lights were like 30 bucks on eBay. But we're just gonna give this a shot. See how things are going. And see if we can light up the world a little bit better, or light up the front of the Subaru a little bit better, Elsa. So anyways, stick around, we'll get down to doing the install. Alright guys, we're going to do some unboxing with this. See how these are. These are XENON Pro H11 white 45 watt kit. So far the boxing is pretty nice. I like the way they take attention to packaging on these. It's pretty nice. So here we go. Look at the size of the diodes on that. This should be really bright, really good, really nice lights. Get those installed here real quick. And let's take a look at the fog lights. The packaging on this, which isn't too bad, as you can see. Pretty well packaged, and as you can see, even on these, the diode's a good size on the two. Little built-in fans on the back. Same thing on the headlights. Built-in fan, then the ballast to up the wattage. Never used these before. Seen really good reviews with them. So far I'm really impressed with the packaging and the way they handle and take care of their product. So we'll get these in and we'll do a test tonight. Hang on. Alright guys, let's get this hood open, see what we gotta do to get to these headlights. So here. So from the looks of it, looks like you just need to pull these two clips off, pull this duct out and get to that headlight, and then this one over here looks to me like you can just get your hand up in there. So let's start with that and then we'll figure out the fog lights. Alright, see what we got going on here. Access. One down. I will save these, so let me go get the LED. Alright. So got that one down. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the headlights to make sure it's coming on. Make sure I didn't plug it in backwards. Score. Alright guys, now that we got the headlights installed, I went ahead and zip tied them up a little bit so they wouldn't be flopping around so much. Clean up this side, zip tied it up a little bit. Gonna get the duct back in. Once I get the duct back in, we'll start on the bottom. Alright guys, so what I found is that if I pull these, this one, that this should fold down enough to get my hand up inside to get to the light. So let's see if we can get this to work. Hang on. A little more interesting than I thought. Bingo, access. Voila. So what I had to do, you have to take out this little 10 millimeter screw here that goes up underneath this. So you pull this plastic clip, pull this down, you'll be able to get to it, and then pull the other little plastic clips that I was showing you. I pulled one I didn't need to. I'll go ahead and put that back in. But for now, let's get the LED lights in here, and we'll get to the other side. And once you get this out, let's pull this forward. Actually, like this. Pull this down. And you have instant access to the fog light. As you can see here. So let me get the LED and we'll put it in. Alright guys, so we got the LED lights installed today. And I'm driving out here to do a comparison video. I gotta say, I'm impressed. Very impressed. So I'll put all the information and the link and where I got the lights from in the description below. So if you guys are ready, here you go. Let me turn off the lights. There it is, guys. What a difference. Huge. It is insane difference from the halogens. And fog lights off, fog lights on, off, on. This is just super incredible how nice these lights are and how well they worked out. So we're gonna go for a drive. We're gonna have to do a little bit of a different route tonight. My way out here there was an accident. I hope everybody's okay, but they were on the original route, so we'll take most of the original route, but we're just gonna have to change it up here. What an incredible difference, though. Can definitely say this is like night and day. Alright, so we're back at the same spot we were the other night. Let's get out and take a look. That is just incredible. Super incredible. And mind you, the lights are dirty. I didn't clean them because I wanted to show the same results. You know, I didn't want to be biased or doing anything special or anything crazy. You know, but it's just like, that is just super, 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 super impressive. I gotta say, I can stand back here like I did the other night, and you can probably see me a lot better than you did the other day, which is crazy. But, so I'll leave all the description and everything on these lights and the fog lights of where I bought them, how much they cost, links. If you guys like these videos and if you like what I'm doing and if you enjoy the content, hit me with a subscribe, with a like, leave a comment below, and enjoy taking the views, sights, and sounds, man. And thanks for watching. Good night.